lost in night, in the wood, shadows fight. Arms take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hello Gemini, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is your bonus reading for February the 8 to February the 14. Para po sa mga bago, explain ko lang, hindi po ito late. Meron na pong February the 8 to February the 14, nasa playlist po siya, no? Bonus lang ito, dapat wala ito, no? So this is just an update. Ayan, para po sa inyo, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ayan. So Gemini, kung hindi po kayo nakaka-resonate dito, baka nandun po ang inyong readings, no? I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Ibang readings yung nandun sa kabila. So, kung gusto nyo dalawang readings or wala dito, baka nandun. So, magsimula na tayo. I think, Gemini, na medyo binubuksan natin lahat ng possibilities ngayon, no? Madami tayong pangarap, na parang sabi mo, iniwan mo nung mga nakaraang panahon, no? Ngayon parang gusto mong balikan, gusto mong simulan uli, no? There is no harm in trying, no? As long as alam mong you've learned from the mistakes from the past, alam mong mas capable ka ngayon, no? At alam mong meron ka mga natutunan dun sa mga challenges natin, no? Sa mga nakaraan. Alam mo kung paano din babaguhin, no? Itong mga pagkakamaling ito. I think that you are capable, no? Chances are pwedeng ito ay mga dati pa or bigla lang dumating sa inyo itong inspiration, no? Parang sabi mo dito, when it comes to buhay, yung sa pangsarili mong buhay, ha? If you want progress, if you're single and you just want to achieve, no, itong abundance, or you want to have an abundant life, I think na biglang may dadating sa inspiration of, ito dapat siguro ang kailangan kong gawin, no? Either mag-business, mag-save, mag-take ng ganitong course, pumunta sa ibang bansa, what else? Lumipat ng trabaho, no? O magsimula ng ganito. Or pwedeng gumising lang ng maaga, mas maaga sa usual gising ko, baguhin itong time management, no? Or baguhin ang lifestyle. When it comes to buhay, family, to family life, I think na parang ito yung time na gusto nyo magtulong-tulong, no? Something happened, parang this going to make, this is going to be a bond for the most of you. Siguro parang magtatayo kami ng business, wherein lahat kami is involved dito, merong kanya-kanyang toka, no? I believe that there is unity in your inspirations, no? When it comes to buhay, trabaho, no? Sa trabaho naman, I feel like there is a project that all of those talents, minds are going to collaborate, you know, para maging successful. Ayan. Kung sa relationship naman, you're opening things up na parang mas gusto ko siguro yung nasa something that we haven't experienced or probably we experienced before. Gusto kong ma-experience uli and probably magstay doon for quite a while. For a few numbers of you, it could be, let's say, nagpunta kami sa ganitong lugar, first for vacation, I fell in love with the place, now wanting to stay there, no? For a few numbers of you, probably siguro nung nagsisimula kami nitong taong to ng nung nagsisimula kami maayos ang relasyon, ngayon medyo challenging, nami-miss ko yung ganung part and I want to stay on that situation for, to kung hindi for lifetime, at least matagal, no, na nandoon kami sa sitwasyon na masaya uli kami, no? Kasi madaming sakit, madami ding mga challenges when it comes to mga pangako na hindi natupad, no? Challenges when it comes to betraying the trust, no? Parang let's reinvent. Hindi natin to bibitawan. We're still together, no? Especially when it comes to family, 'di ba? When it comes to family, hindi mo naman pwede yang itapon. Dugo is dugo, no? Pwede kang lumayo. You may love people from afar, pero hindi mo mababago yung dugo mo, doon ka nang galing, 'di ba? Sabihin natin, yes, siguro kung family ito, chances are, no, I will try to bridge the gap between us, no? Siguro capable na ako, no? Siguro meron na rin akong kakayahan. Pagbuklo din kami, no? Siguro I am really successful now or I'm about to be successful. Unti-unti kong inaayos kung ano itong mga nasira, no? Walang iwanan at the end of the day, no? Tayo pa rin naman. Ganon din sa buhay pag-ibig. Siguro, no, you made a promise, whether it is merong holy matrimony, kasal, what have you, pwede ring wala. It's just a promise between you and your person na parang sinasabi mo, seryoso ko dun sa promise, di ba? Walang iwanan. With the King of Wands and the Death card. So parang ito yung sasabihin nitong taong to or ikaw, no, you may exchange the energies, pwedeng ikaw nandito sa role na to, pwedeng yung person mo, that's okay. Baka sabihin niya, ay baliktad po, that's okay. What I'm reading here is the dynamic. Sasabihin nito ng taong ito, yung, alam mo, gusto kong ayusin. Pwedeng humingi ng apology, pwede ring, ang nakikita ko dito is efforts, no, na makikita mo naman talaga yung pagbabago. Makikita mo naman talaga itong will, yung drive na gustong ayusin. With the Seven of Swords, siguro ibalik yung trust na nasira. Probably this person betrayed your trust, nakapagsinungaling. It doesn't matter how many times, no? Pero nandito yung genuinity with the Nine of Pentacles. Somehow nakikita mo naman yung mga efforts. Kaya medyo nakangiti ka. Pero nangangamba ka pa rin. Your mind is probably telling you, naku, baka simulan na naman niya, no? Or baka ningas kugon, no? Sa umpisa lang magaling and then babalik na naman. But what I am seeing in here is chances are this is magdidire-diretso. Parang normal lang naman din, no? Na magkaroon ng maalala yung pain, maalala yung mga ganyan. Para at least you can compare, no? Pero when we see that the person is really trying, that the person is parang humihingi, whether it is verbal or in action ng another chance, why not give, no? Dumating ka rin naman sa isang punto ng buhay natin na humingi ka rin ng second chance. Pwedeng sa trabaho, no? Pwedeng nagkamali tayo sa trabaho, matatanggal na sana tayo, pero we were given a second chance. Sa school, no? Pwedeng ibabagsak na tayo, pero humingi tayo ng special project, and then we were given a second chance, di ba? I mean, dumating din tayo sa puntong ganon. With the Six of Cups, minahal naman natin, no? Minahal din naman natin itong energy na ito, whether it is trabaho, no, family, relasyon. And what I am seeing in here is hindi man siya malalagpasan, no? Yung sasabihin, ay mas masaya kami ngayon kaysa nung nagsisimula kami. Or kung hindi man siya malalagpasan, mas yung maile-level, no? Doon sa kung paano kayo nagsimula. I feel like this is a harmonious connection with this energy. I am also seeing na baka kasi sabihin natin nandun pa rin yung mga pagdududa, no? That's okay. As long as hindi tayo nagiging harsh, maraharsh, no, 'di ba? Bagong term 'yan. Maraharsh, no? Doon sa taong ito. kumbaga, I think that we need to encourage the person to do more better, no? In a nice way, no? Kasi meron mga taong iba yung delivery eh. So, yung encouraging way with the Knight of Wands and the Four of Pentacles. Kasi itong mga doubts, sabihin nating hindi paniniwala, no, sa kanilang pagbabago, baka I feel like kapag bine-verbalize natin to sa kanila, I feel like baka kahit naman anong gawin ko, hindi naman wala sa isip niya na pwede akong magbago, no? So might as well wag ko na lang tapusin, no? Hindi ko na lang siya gawin. Wala rin naman palang paniniwala sa akin, no? Itong person ko. With the King of Swords and the Wheel of Fortune, this is something that's probably very strange. Dahil hindi mo hinaga, ni inakala, ni sa panaginip, pwede pala siyang magbago in a very different way. No, kung dating itong person natin is pala inom, pala barkada, no, mas nakikita mo siya ngayon sa loob ng bahay, no? Kung iinom man, siguro nasa loob na lang din ng bahay. Kung lalabas man, kasama ka na. Hindi mo na-imagine na pwede niya yung gawin. With the Empress, I think that there's also something you did. Reinventing yourself, no? Siguro nagpagupit ng buhok, nagpa-tan or nagpaputi, depending on your, preference, no? Nag-gain ng weight or nagpa-lose ng weight, no? It depends on you to a point wherein baka probably nag-undergo pa tayo ng surgery. It's not just about the physical, but I feel like you enticed something in them na parang pinamukha mo sa kanila na, ay, nasa akin na pala yung kailangan ko. Nasa akin na pala yung inaasam ko, no? Hindi ko lang siya nakita before. There's a lot of learnings with the Three of Pentacles in this situation and the Princess of Pentacles. Kung mayroon man kayong separations dito, whether it is physical or energetic, physical, literal, magkalayo kayo ng lugar, no? Energetic, pwede nakikita kayo sa isang lugar pero hindi naman kayo nagpapansinan. You will see that there is an effort from the people, no? From your person na probably nasa malayong lugar. Nakikita mo nagre-reach out na, no? Somehow meron ng, kung naka-block ito, baka gumagawa na sila ng fake, kung hindi fake accounts, ng ibang account to reach you at. Now, with the Three of Pentacles and the Ace of Swords, maniwala sa pagbabago ni person dahil what I am seeing is this is genuine, this is successful, this is lasting, and this is happiness, no? I feel like kung bibigyan lang ng break, ng pagkakataon, I think na itong pagsasamang ito is maluwat, yun ba ang tawag doon, is panghabang buhay. And hindi ko sinasabing perfect, walang perfect, challenges may still happen, pero hindi na katulad ng dating parang delupyo, no? So let's check some more cards here. Gemini, again, ipapaalala ko lang po na doon po sa ating kabilang channel, Babaylan TV, nagla-live po tayo doon, ha? Pwede kayong sumali. And you're welcome to do so. Ngayon, kung hindi po kayo nakaka-resonate dito sa readings na ito, baka nandun po ang inyong reading, no? Might as well check on it. Kung gusto niyo ng dalawa, bakit hindi, di ba? Wala namang bayad yun. Don't forget to click the like button po, comment, no? Share kung inyong mamarapatin. Gemini, kung hindi po kayo hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot, di dumiretso na po kayo doon sa ating website. Sa description box ng video na ito, nandun po yung link ng aking website. Now, click the link you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, yung amount per question, the name, number, QR code for your reference. I also created a 4 questions plus 1, so take advantage of it. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya, no, sa ating description box. So, tingnan natin ang masasabi ng iyong person, or this is ang iyong saloobin. I wish we could be together, but it's complicated. So, it felt like siguro madami na nangyari in between those separations, or kahit wala kayong separations, madami na nangyari. But it felt like it might be a complicated situation as of the moment. Pero nakikita ko na itong pag-unite, yung harmonious, it will be very lasting. No? Nandun pa rin naman kasi yung will. Nandun pa rin talaga yung nasa puso pa kita. No? Let's get some message from the universe. When there are questions you need assistance with, go inward. Sit with yourself. Meditate on the situation. Ask for our help. Also, then trust your intuition as most often. The answers and guidance will be delivered to you intuitively. We are with you always. So sabing ganito, kung meron ka daw mga agam-agam, kung meron ka mga problema, kung kailangan mo ng sagot, chances are wag mong hanapin sa, sa labas. Pwede kang magkulong sa kwarto, no, or pumunta sa park. Go within yourself, mag-meditate, kasi yung sagot is i-deliver sa'yo yan, no, kung mahanap ka ng mga signs. I think that you should listen to your intuition, yung ito bang kutob or yung gut feeling, no? Kasi sinabi dito na you are being guided. May kasama ka dito sa iyong mga journey, no? So, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. These can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So I'm seeing Taurus, Sagittarius, I am seeing Leo, Virgo, Pisces, Capricorn. I am seeing Cancer, Scorpio. So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings, Gemini. Goodbye.
You want the best of my heart, you just